Hello, Chef here. So I've got one of my pepper mills. This is the Atlas. These are handmade out of solid copper and or brass, and they're made in Greece. The quality's really cool. Love the little curved handle. Just getting ready to refill it. So this is a quick tutorial as well as a product review. This one's many years old, maybe over 10 years old. It just keeps going. What I like about it is that it's a direct shaft all the way down through the bottom and a hardened steel grinding mechanism that grinds all peppercorns, and adjustable. You can adjust the coarseness right here. Also, it holds a whole lot. I've got about a half a cup of black peppercorns here. I'm going to try to get them all in and not make a mess. And it looks like, yeah, it takes a half a cup of peppercorns. Put the lid right back on. Put the handle on, right like that. And the little nut. And at this point, once you tighten this down, you can adjust the coarseness if you like. I'll grab a plate and show you just how fine we're talking here. This is a kind of average grind. I like this. You can go finer, you can go coarser. Black pepper's good for you. It's good for your health. Check out the sponsor. They got all these babies in stock. And we also like this electric stainless steel salt mill. We grind a lot of pink Hawaiian salts and Himalayan salts. On this particular one, all you do is you just press the button and the salt comes out real nice. So I'll be using this salt and pepper in the next recipe. Check it out, smash the like button, subscribe right here, watch the chef's next recipe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. You're looking at perhaps the world's smallest pepper mill, well, high quality pepper mill, machined from solid brass in Greece. Remove the top. Features a solid hardened steel mechanism all the way through. Fully adjustable grind, hardened steel gears. This is the best pepper mill you can buy if you want a small one. You can put this in your purse or your pocket. I believe this is about 3.5 inches long. Really cool. You can get it to sponsor right there. While you're there, check out the big ones. I'm using a large version of this. This is the Atlas 404. This one is brass. This was featured in one of the big magazines. I think it was Bon Appetit, Better Homes and Garden. They said, wow, best pepper mill you can buy, because the quality is there. Watch my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, these babies are in stock. It's gonna be good. And don't forget, all things Butcher Block from your sponsor. Butcher Block, edge grain, end grain, love it. The best working surface for your kitchen. Professional chef, home gourmet, doesn't matter. Butcher Block, check it out. And next, the Kasumi, titanium layered. Oh, what do you see? Same thing I do, right? Less resistance, better blade, better steel. Get the real thing, the real stuff, get the good stuff the first time. If you can afford one of these, handmade by a Japanese master, go for it. I don't know, I would just guess this is between $300 and $500. You might need to actually go to Japan to get the knife made to your specs like it was made for me. That's the ultimate. This one, this Kasumi, also the blade length is important. This is about an 8, maybe 8 and a little bit more inch, around an 8-inch chef. Love it. I want to say it's about $100. This one's a little less. It's a 7-inch blade, but you get less. It weighs less. I like this. So anyway, let's do another test. Here we go. Real quick mention here. The other part of the knife is the cutting board or cutting surface. You see I'm doing a rocking motion here? Cutting some imaginary herbs. Beautiful. Same thing with the next one. The angle's not as good, but it's working. Okay? Same thing with the next one. Yeah, I like it. Wrap it tight, get the air out, shelf life 3 days. The blocks. Get the best block the first time. Visit your sponsor. By the way, I'm cutting tomatoes, so I never use a butter knife. There are people that have knives this dull. They're trying to cut their tomatoes with these butter knives. What the heck are they doing? This is for spreading butter or cutting cheese. It's a little chef. He's cute. From France. Chef cooked in France with Chef Bocuse. Bocuse is renowned around the world, so you'll pick up some master chef tips on this channel. Chef Bocuse. Yeah, amazing guy. Subscribe right here. Let's get cooking. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Another review. Here we go. Japanese knives, what not to buy, right here. So I'll tell you why in about maybe 10 reasons why you don't want to buy this knife. It's shiny, it's flashy. That flash, that's what they're looking for there. Give you the flash. Okay, you can see the brand there. This is the kind of garbage you get on Amazon, all right? So this is like a $20 knife. However, there are people telling you it's Japanese and it's worth $50, $99, whatever the price, doesn't matter. Don't shop by price. The quality is mediocre. It's shiny, it's flashy, the rivets are not smooth. Packwood handle's nice. It sounds like aluminum foil. So this is stainless steel. This Japanese knife is stainless steel. And another thing here, nice balance. This one, let's give it a quick weight test. Yeah, that's what I thought. 5 ounces, that's what you're looking for. Nice knife. This one, almost 9 ounces. It's freaking huge, it's heavy, it's bulky. It's not very ergonomical, but people often ask me about butcher block care and maintenance, and I've actually got all the answers for you. So I've been using this for decades and decades, all different shapes and sizes. It just keeps on going. One of the questions that comes up all the time is how to maintain. Oil it monthly if it's oil finish. I prefer the mystery oil. This is the best. Beeswax is good too. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Wow. Check it out. The sponsor's got Japanese knives imported direct from Japan and butcher blocks made in the USA. Free shipping, no tax, discounts. You can't go wrong. meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. Blueberry pie, blueberry jam, blueberries. Ah. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.